Okay, in the previous problem actually I had asked you to rotate this box in clockwise direction. Now the reason for this, suppose I am having a solid in this manner, I am sectioning it in this manner. Okay, the topmost point of the section will be somewhere here, the bottommost point will be somewhere here. I can see the sectioned surface only if I am rotating in this direction. Thing is, if I was rotating in this direction, what happens is the sectioned surface will come on this side. So I won't be able to see the sectioned surface. That's why I had asked you to rotate this blocks in clockwise direction, in this direction. Okay, now read the next question. Again, almost similar type of problem. Solved is a pentagonal prism. In the previous question, it was a hexagonal pyramid. Here it is a pentagonal prism. Again, we are going to section the solid using an inclined section plane. Okay. In order to identify the difference of the previous one and this one, in the previous question I had sectioned in this direction. Here I am going to section in this direction. Okay. So you have to rotate the solid in anti-clockwise direction, in this direction. Okay. So as usual, I will be drawing the top view and front view. Isometric view is asked. So you can take the dimensions from ordinary scale itself. Draw the top view, draw the front view, identify the center and draw the section plane. Okay, we will be removing the top portion, we will be getting section lines. This is a prism. So we are getting the section points on these corners itself. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E will be our section, will be the corners of the prism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 itself will be the section points also. Okay, so here we are getting 1 dash. Here itself we are getting 2 dash and 5 dash. Here itself we are getting 3 dash and 4 dash. Okay. Here also we are having these points, but these are their section points. Okay. So first I will be rotating this box in anti-clockwise direction. So I will be drawing our reference line. I will be drawing the reference line first. I will be marking point Q on it. I am rotating in anti-clockwise. So whatever be this point, you mark it here. Okay. Draw the vertical line towards right, left side. Draw the vertical line towards right side. Mark QP length on left side. QR length on right side and then identify point S. And I will be, as usual, I will be transferring all the corners. On PQ I will be getting A, on the QR I will be getting B, then C here, then D here and E here. A, B, C, D, E, I will be identifying the points. In the previous question, next I would have identified the section points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside this box. But here the section points are these points itself. Okay, these itself is our section points A, B, C, D, E. So you have to draw the vertical lines from these corners itself. So first from A I will be drawing a vertical line. The distance taken should be the distance from XY till 1 dash. Whatever be this distance, you mark it here, you will be getting 1 dash. Next, from B, the distance from XY till 2 dash and the distance from XY till 5 dash. Both these distances are identical. You take it from B, you take it from E. That is 5 dash and this is 2 dash. Similarly, the distance of 3 dash and 4 dash should be marked from C and D. We will be getting 3 dash here, we will be getting 4 dash here. As usual, join the last 5 points we got using a dark line. Join the last 5 points we got using a dark line. That is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. I will be joining using a dark line. Okay, I will be getting a figure of like this. This will be our sectioned surface. Okay, the general rule, again, outermost edges should be visible. So this will be dark, E5. Then AE will be dark, AB will be dark, BC will be dark and C3 will also be dark. Other than that, A1 will be dark, B2 will be dark. Okay, rest of the edges, D4, it will be dotted. D4 will be dotted, then ED will be dotted and CD also will be dotted. Okay, now here as usual you can draw the section lines. We will be getting the section lines here. It should be as usual 45 degree lines. Okay, so in the previous question was a hexagonal pyramid. Here it is a pentagonal prism. Okay.